and he shows you his signs. Then, which of the signs of God will you deny? Pollination in Qur'an. Pollination is the act of transferring pollen grains from the male anther of the flower to the female stigma. Pollination agents are insects, animals, water, and wind. The Noble Qur'an tells us about anemophily. Anemophily is the technical term for wind pollination, which is the process through which pollen is distributed by wind. There are numerous plants that solely depend on wind pollination, like oaks, sweet chestnuts, alders, and so on. Now, the fact that wind plays a huge role in pollination is just a recent discovery, while Allah SWT told us about it in the Noble Qur'an 1400 years ago. And we sent down the seeding winds, then caused the rain to descend from the sky, and gave you water to drink, though you are not the guardians of its stores. Not only this, but Allah SWT also tells us that strong wind hinders pollination, which scientists discovered recently. Now let's see how strong wind hinders pollination. Honeybees are the most integral insect pollinators and pollinate a wide variety of crops, but honeybees do not forage in rain or in winds stronger than 12 miles per hour. Moreover, strong winds may injure flowers and cause loss of pollen. High temperatures, wind, and low humidity may cause desiccation of the style and simultaneously reducing the receptive period of the blossom for pollination. If the style dries too quickly, before the pollen tubes have a chance to grow down to the ovary, fertilization can be affected even if pollination has occurred. And fruits with more delicate flowers, such as prunes, a few days of dry winds can destroy crop potential. And now we know how strong wind hinders pollination, and Allah SWT also tells us about it in the Holy Qur'an. Allah says, "And in Ad we unleashed against them the infertile wind." Ad has strong winds. Today, because of the progress of science, we know why the winds of Ad were infertile, because strong winds hinder pollination.